So how to make your video fit on your screen in Premiere Pro? So it's one click. What you have to do is to right click on your clip, then you set to frame size. And if you found out that this doesn't work, what you have to do is to come here, you click on this, click on your motion here, then what you have to do is to just drag this. You do it manually by yourself. You can do it manually by yourself. Yep. And this is how to do it. Then if you found out that you can't do this one again, another way to do it is another easier way to do it is to come to this your motion here, come here and increase the scale. Yep. So whichever way, and you can also do it in the way you want it. Whether you drag it from here or you input the value you want. Let's say you want 150 or 170 or 180, just press enter. That's it. You just scale it to the frame size. So whichever way you want, you can do it. Then you can click on this next video to watch how to glow your text effects or to make a text glowing effect. Yep.